Hello, my name is Lee Coleman from Hughes Coleman Injury Lawyers. Today, let's talk about what to know and do if you've been in a highway or interstate collision. If you've been injured, give us a call. We handle all types of car accident cases, and we're here for you 24/7 at 800-800-4600. Now, let's talk about highway collisions. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, in 2022, there were 2,153 fatalities on rural interstates and 3,637 fatalities on urban interstates. Highway and interstate collisions are caused by many factors, including speeding, tailgating, distracted driving, and DUI. Since speed limits on highways are generally higher, they can be extremely dangerous, causing severe injuries such as traumatic brain injuries, TBIs, lacerations, internal injuries, severed limbs, broken bones, and even wrongful death. Here's what to do if you've been injured in a collision. Immediately call law enforcement and ask if they will be sending an officer or paramedics to the scene. While you wait for help to arrive, begin taking photographs of any damage to your vehicle and the other vehicles involved. Make sure to get photographs of the scene to show what happened. Take photographs of your injuries as well, if you're able to do so. Get names of witnesses, their addresses, and their phone numbers. If law enforcement does not send an officer to the scene, then you need to follow up and file a report. After you leave the scene of the collision, be sure to seek medical treatment. That way you'll begin healing from your injuries and get those injuries documented in the medical records. We will need those medical records to prove to the insurance company how you were hurt. And finally, get an experienced personal injury attorney at Hughes Coleman. If you've been injured in a collision due to someone else's negligence, the law entitles you to compensation. This includes compensation for your current and future medical bills relating to the accident, your lost wages, your pain and suffering, and your property damage. An attorney can help maximize the value of your case and get you the most the law entitles you to. Our team will deal with the insurance companies and handle negotiations so you don't have to. We'll seek compensation for your injuries, medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. If needed, we can work to get you medical appointments with doctors who can treat your injuries and help you get better along the way. We will be by your side the entire way, answering questions and handling the legal work so you can focus on getting better. If you've been injured in a collision, get Hughes Coleman and get it done. Call us today at 800-800-4600. We're here for you 24/7.